To start the Manage Purchase Orders app, first you have to navigate to the Purchase Order Processing till group, choose Purchase Order Processing. To open the app, select the Manage Purchase Orders till. You use the Manage Purchase Order app to create a new purchase order. Using the filter area in the app, you can also select existing purchase order to display or change them. For example, like this, I select an existing purchase order and then I click on copy. To create a new purchase order, choose Create. In the supplier field, enter the supplier that we have created previously. Under TS52899, T5, or I can enter the name, so like this, or sorry, TS52899 EFT parts, so we can proceed like this, EFT. A list of suggestions is displayed from which you can select your supplier. In our example, the system showed that the supplier with the number TS52899 only purchasing exists for the purchasing organization. So I do it again. If I do it like this, I see the information purchasing organization is the only one. We select the line with the supplier and purchasing organization. After selecting your supplier, you will notice that mandatory fields such as purchasing organization, currency, purchasing group, company, code, and language have been filled in automatically. This value has been copied from the supplier master record. If, for example, the purchasing group is not proposed for the supplier master record, it has to be entered manually. That is the case for our example because it's not defined in our supplier. So I will use this one, KPC. I click on enter each time. And that is the same thing for the currency. So when sometimes it's required, you identify that some fields are not filled automatically, then you can advise the purchasing department to complete the supplier. That is a master data. So continue. So take care to ensure you are creating a purchase order item under the item sections and not under the limit item section. That is not the same things. So you have two tabulation item and limit items. So we create an item. So to begin creating a new item, choose create. In the materials field, enter the material that we have created previously. Well, another one for your case. So this time I enter 8500. Okay, I've got my material. A proposal list of materials is a material list of material is displayed from which you can select your material. In our example, the system showed that the material with the number 850099 is maintained for only one plant as KP the one. So I show you again. You see that I've got the information about key P01 is only for this one. Remember, the material is to be purchased for this plant KP01. Select the line with material and plant. After selecting the material, we'll notice that some fields such as short text, material group, and plant have been filled in automatically. These values have been copied from the material master record. The order unit PC has also been copied from the material master record. In the order quantity fields, enter 100 and press enter. In the net order price fields, enter 52 and press enter. Like this, 52. To display or enter more information for the item, open the detailed data for the item. In our example, the delivery date for the materials need to be changed. Schedule line. To open the item detail through the arrow, to change the delivery date for the item to schedule line tabulation. As you can see, you can change the delivery date in schedule line section. However, if necessary, you can also split the order quantity between different date and the area by creating additional schedule line item. In our example, delivery date is to be changed from example the December. So for that, I use the picking date and I change, for example, to define in the 10th December. So in the delivery date field, you can enter a value manually or use the date picker instead. Open the date picker and select the date. We have selected the 10th December. After you have changed, enter all necessary information for the item, you have to apply this change to the purchase order. To confirm the change, choose apply. But if you want, again, to split the delivery date, you just have to click on create or copy. For example, I would like to split the quantity. For example, the first part where we deliver at the end of the month, for example, 50 pieces, and the rest at the December. Then I click on apply. To finalize the creation of the purchase order, choose order. At the top of the screen, you can see that a purchase order has been created with the number, just wait, 45000422. To leave the app, choose navigate to home. Or you can just, if you want to display that this purchase order is in your portfolio, you just have to go back. And if I have a look to my filter, I just have to, for example, purchase order date today, and I click on go. I am able to see that my purchase order has been created for my supplier and approved automatically. And to go home, I just have to click on the tab icon to navigate to home. You have now seen how to use the Manage Purchase Order app to create a purchase order for stock material. This concludes this demonstration. Thank you so much. C'est bon, mon petit poussin? J'espère que je te dérange pas, je disais. That is not posting a receipt into the cloud. Especially we need to cover the processes of the détermination des comptes dans SAP MM. So, qu'est-ce qu'il y a comme offre en ce moment à l'école? Pas possible d'avoir des petits pétous comme ça.